My name is Octavio Ferraz. I'm the co-director of the Transnational Law Institute at King's College London. At the TLI, we have elected as one of our main areas of research transnational environmental law, because we believe that climate change and the decrease in the biodiversity of the planet are one of the main problems, if not the main problem, facing humanity in the next decades and century. So we have come for our first study to the heart of the Amazon in the Jauaperi River, which is a tributary of the Rio Negro, the Black River here in the Amazon, which is located about 500 kilometers from Manaus and 300 kilometers from Novo Airão. We came here to see what the Association of Artisans of the Jauaperi River are doing in their fight to try and not only stop the predation of the environment, which has already happened quite a lot here, but also improve and recuperate the areas which have been affected by decades of irresponsible, I have to say, action of human beings here in the river. We have done this trip with them to several communities along the river, including Samaúma and Mahau, where we have witnessed their hard work to try and make the communities and help the communities who are also willing to do this work, to protect the diversity of the animals and the trees which are abundant in this area, but used to be much more. Two of the main projects we have visited are the protection of the lakes in the Samaúma community to try to recover the piracuru fish, which is one of the most endangered species here in the river. And we have also visited the project which tries to protect the chelonians, which are the turtles which are endemic to this region. There are 4 species which they are trying to protect, and we have witnessed one of the most beautiful scenes, which was the release of the small turtles that they have protected for months in the river. So I hope that projects like this in the TLI will make some contribution to this fight to protect the biodiversity of this region and also help to curb climate change, which is also one of the main problems, as I said, facing humanity, not only the people in this region, but all of us. And it's key to the preservation of this area that the people who have lived here for decades or centuries are capable of living well from the resources that the forest and the river have to offer. So one of the main and important roles of the project is also to improve the living conditions of the people so that they choose to stay here rather than to move away or move to the cities, which is unfortunately something that happens quite often when the forest cannot provide any longer for the people who live here.